this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel and Pickleball in Paradise. I'm here at the beautiful Sandals Royal Curaçao Resort, and this is a Subi Club Level room. The code is SCL, and this room is concierge club level, so it does give you access to the club lounge and also the dining concierge, who is happy to make your dining reservations for you. There are 2 restaurants at this resort that you're going to want to get reservations for. Butch's Chop House, named after the founder of Sandals, Butch Stewart, and a wonderful new restaurant to this property, and it is called Vincent. And that one's a little more high-end. It has escargot, absolutely delicious. Here we have a very modern walk-in shower in the bathroom. There is also that art on the wall in the main room. You can open that up and have a little more light into the bathroom if you wish. We have a backlit mirror, a 1-sink vanity. We have one US plug here, but you're going to want to bring a European converter with you because most of the other plugs in the room are European. And with as many things as we need to charge, you're going to want to have that extra plug. The toilet is located in a separate room, which is nice for if you have multiple people needing to get ready in the morning. And over here we have the closet. It has nice full-length mirrors. It has a safe, ironing board, and because you are club level in this room, you do get the robes. Plenty of room for suitcases and storage, and you can set the code to anything you like. Here is the bar. Because it's club level, you do get the liquors included, as well as wine, pop, juice, and water. We had someone come by about once a day just to check to see if we needed anything, but housekeeping also kept it fully stocked for us as well. So you can see we have wine, beer, sparkling wine, a nice selection of drinks. This room is located in the Subi building, and that is, if you're facing the hotel, it is towards the right, not far from the food trucks. Then you can see here, it's those European plugs. This is the main part of the room. There's a very comfortable, clean bed. This is the piece of artwork that you can either have covering the shower or slide it over if you want to have more light into the bathroom, or you can choose to have a little more privacy. There are dual nightstands with nice lamps, telephone. One of the nice things about the TV in the room is it is a smart TV, and it does even have a Netflix button, so you can press it and log into your Netflix account at home if you like to watch movies after a fun night out or time at the pool. You can come back and relax and watch the Netflix. There's a coffee pot, hot water warmer in case you are a tea drinker. With the club level, you also do get room service. So there's a beautiful patio right here and this little couch and table. If you wanted to order any room service while you're here, they do serve the room service until about 10 o'clock at night. Nice little lamps for if you are a late night reader. And the room view for this one, for the Subi, is tropical gardens and partial ocean view. So as you can see out there, we do have a bit of the ocean, but we also have a lot of these beautiful lush gardens. There's a nice drying rack in case you need that to dry your swimsuit at night. This was an amazing room to stay in. I had a great visit. Next time you want to book a getaway, please keep in mind Straightaway Travel. we go to the resort so we can learn them for our clients to give you all of the advice and tips and tricks. We don't charge any planning fees when you book through us. So reach out to us today. And also, if you are a pickleball player, be sure to check out our Pickleball in Paradise pickleball groups. There are 8 pickleball courts at this resort.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and go to www.straightawaytravel.com for all your vacation needs at 0 cost to you. We make your vacation perfect. You pay nothing more.